Hey guys, I know that the notes yesterday were very long and they were very just hard, I guess. So these notes are going to be super easy today. So first we're going to find out what it means to solve. If I say solve this problem, what does that mean? Well, it means to find the answers to it, to find the zeros of the function. So what does zeros mean again? I drew an arrow and you can see that they could mean x-intercepts, the roots, or the solutions. So let's go ahead and take a look at this first example. This one has one solution, one x-intercept, because it barely just touches the x-axis there, just barely touches it. This one definitely has two solutions. It crosses the x-axis 2 times. And this one over here has no solutions because it does not cross that x-axis at all. Okay, so if I showed you 3 different pictures and says, how many solutions does each of these have? Then you should be able to tell how many solutions they all have. So this is going to be really easy. You're going to use a calculator to do this. And I just said solve this equation by graphing. And you're going to graph this in your calculator. I'm going to give you Desmos activity to do. But anyways, if you go ahead and graph this, it's super easy to see where they cross the x-axis. I've even circled them for you. So this is a screenshot from my calculator. And it looks like it crosses at -1 and 4. So over here I said there are zeros at -1 and 4 and that there are 2 solutions. So that's literally all we have to do. Let me show you the assignment. If you've never heard of Desmos, you're going to love it. This Desmos is a graphing calculator that is just a website online and it's free. So in the week 14, in the assignments, I put a link to Desmos. So go ahead and open that. It will even open right here. And what you're going to do is, let me go back to assignments. Let's open this in a new tab. Open link in new tab. So here's the graphing calculator. Beautiful. And let's go back. So here's the Desmos activity. Okay, let's look at it. There's 2 parts. The first part here, all you have to do is graph each of these in the Desmos and see where the solutions are. And I even gave you some options down here. You can drag and match them up. So let's see the first one. X squared minus 3x minus 10. And I'll show you how to type it in. So x down here, you can click that and you can use the squared, which is right there. X squared minus 3x minus 10. So let's see where these zeros are. It looks like this one's at -2. You can put your cursor over and see where it is, -2. And this one is at +5. So let's go back. -2 and +5. It's right there. So that is the answer to number 1. So that's all you have to do for the first part, is literally just go back, backspace, graph another one, and match it up. The next question, so go down here, part 2, is how many solutions does each of these have? So this one looks like it has 1. Go down here and find 1 solution and drag it up there. 2 solutions, none, right? Then these ones, you just kind of eyeball, zoom in, eyeball, that looks about -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so -1 and 4. Go down here, -1 and 4. Oh, make sure it's in the right place. And that's it. All right, so again, as always, let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to help you out as best as I can.